Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I apologize for a long hiatus, but today I have a sweet surprise for you guys. I have family members who live in Japan, and they finally sent me my long-awaited item. And so I have in front of me what's called the Cherry Blossom Front STI Lip skirt or something like that. So essentially it is a lip for your front lip, and this is only applicable to the OEM style. So I believe there's two variants for the first gen, the 2015 to 2017, and also the second gen, the 2018 and newer. But to be honest, after looking at the skirt itself, it really does look the same. And so if you guys are looking into getting yourself a JDM part like this to kind of, do the whole red accent in front, it's really nice, but it also protects your front lip. And so it came in this wrapping, and this is how it looks like. It's just a rubber piece to go on the bottom. There's adhesive here, and it's really good quality, really good quality rubber. And it came along with these little clips here, and I believe if you want to go the extra mile, you can drill in through this to your bumper so that way it sticks on. But just right off the bat, this whole lip itself has an adhesive like type of 3M tape on it, and to be honest, I've never done this before, so that's why I took off my front bumper. If you guys don't know how to take off your front bumper, I'll put a link down below to a video I made previously. But this is a two-man job. You're gonna need help because I tried doing this myself and it doesn't look promising doing it by yourself. So I'm actually waiting on my girlfriend to finish up, and she's going to come out and help me. But essentially what you're going to do is you're going to take off your front bumper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it upside down, and I'm just going to line it. And so I'm going to have her hold on to it as I peel the tape, and we're just going to line it across the lip itself. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm a little nervous. Okay, so now that I have my front bumper upside down, I'm just going to show you guys. It's going to be like this. So it's going to be like an upside down L, and this is going to be lined outside along the edge of your front lip. And so see here, what you're going to do is you're going to have help, and you're going to place it here and line up the adhesive all across the lower part of your lip. And then after that, once the adhesive sticks in, then you can go about drilling with this. But unfortunately, because I don't have a drill, I'm going to just leave it on and keep it in my garage until the weekend, and then I'll have some friends come and help me. Okay, so this is how it looks after the fact. So, like I said, we lined this up on the edge of the lip all the way through, and unfortunately there is a little bit of extra here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line it up and cut it off. So we could have done a little bit better of a job on the corners, but it is a bit challenging. So I'm not sure how the 3M is going to hold up. I may use these clips later down the line, but we'll see how it holds. And so now, guys, I'll show you how it looks like after the fact. Alright guys, what do you think? Was it worth the wait? So I waited quite a long time for this, and this is actual JDM pieces. They're not the vinyl stickers that you see a lot of Subaru owners tend to put on their car. So this is the little trim piece left over of it. Like I said, it's plastic. Again, I just want to reiterate, I'm a firm believer of quality in and quality out. I don't like the idea of cheapening out on car parts. That's why, as you can see, I don't really have anything that's like vinyl or sticker or whatnot. So hopefully it matches the back very well, because unfortunately this is gloss black with red, whereas the front is cherry blossom. But I think it's not too noticeable, but hey, it is what it is. So Thumbs up if you guys like this video, thumbs out if not. What else do you guys want to see? So with that, guys, hope you guys like this video, and I hope my car is coming along just fine. Like I said, I'm a firm believer of genuine quality parts. I am a supporter and advocate of aftermarket, but until I'm able to afford the higher end stuff such as Verus, I'll stick to OEM as my go-to. So yeah, hope you guys like this.